Now, joining us to answer your questions is Dr. Rick Malley, an infectious disease specialist at Boston Children's Hospital. Dr. Malley, thanks for being here. Thanks for your time.
My pleasure.
All right, let's start with the big news out today. We understand that the FDA is expected to greenlight boosters for kids 12 to 15 next week. Of course, we are coming up on almost 6 months since that age group was first authorized to get vaccines. So how important is this development right now, and is that why the FDA is moving forward?
Yeah, I think it can be excellent timing because as of 6 months are taking place, as you mentioned, it sounds like that's probably the right time to start thinking about boosting children of that age who have received their vaccine previously. So it's really coming at the right time, and we're all looking forward to the FDA's findings.
Well, and Dr. Malley, we're also getting a look at more data on the safety of vaccines for kids. So the CDC releasing 2 studies today, one showing serious problems among kids 5 to 11 who got the Pfizer vaccine were extremely rare. And a second showing the pediatric hospitalizations for COVID were nearly all among unvaccinated kids. So you've seen this research. What's your message to parents about the safety of these vaccines in kids?
Well, really, so far, the vaccines have shown excellent safety profiles in children. As I think many of your viewers know, there was some concern, and there still is some concern over rare side effects that may not have been seen in small, even though they're large, clinical trials. But so far, the data look very promising, and I think one reason for this may well be that for younger children, the company Pfizer has lowered the dose of the vaccine and has found that the vaccine is protective, but perhaps with fewer side effects than otherwise might have been anticipated.
All right, Dr. Malley, here's a question from one of our viewers. Jessica wrote in this, quote, "I have 3 fully vaccinated kids, ages 8 to 13, who play indoor sports." Of course, that's the season now for indoor sports. So what's your opinion on indoor youth sports continuing during the Omicron surge, especially since this age group has still low vaccination rates? They were just authorized about 6 weeks ago. And we saw Dr. Malley, Wellesley today canceled its winter sports. Is that a smart move? What do you say to parents who are wondering, should their kids continue with indoor sports?
Well, I think it's an excellent question. For children who are vaccinated, while certainly playing indoor sports poses a risk for transmission and acquisition of the virus, the likelihood that they will get sick, which is already low in unvaccinated children, is even lower once these children have received the vaccine. So I think that for the child who is vaccinated, the risk of getting severely sick with COVID-19, whether you're playing indoor sports or just interacting with other individuals, is really quite low. But the reason why I think it's reasonable for some institutions like Wellesley, as you mentioned, to think about canceling indoor events is that, as you mentioned, many people are unvaccinated, whether these are adults or children. Some people are ineligible for vaccination so far. And really, when you have a high concentration of people in indoor spaces, the risk of transmission becomes unacceptably high.
Okay, Dr. Rick Malley from Boston Children's Hospital, thanks again for your time and for answering all of our questions.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.